The benefits of eating eggs. Eggs are more than just tasty. They're packed with benefits for your health. Here's why you should consider adding eggs to your diet. Nutrient-rich. Eggs are loaded with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a good source of high-quality protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues in your body. Good for your eyes. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. These nutrients may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness. Brain boost. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain development and function. Choline is important for memory, mood regulation, and overall cognitive function. Heart healthy. Contrary to previous beliefs, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet. They are a good source of healthy fats and contain compounds like omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Including eggs in your diet can help you feel full and satisfied, which may prevent overeating and aid in weight management. Easy to prepare. Eggs are versatile and easy to incorporate into meals. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or as part of various dishes like omelets and frittatas. Overall, eggs are a nutritious and affordable food that can be a valuable addition to your diet. Whether you have them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, eggs can contribute to your overall health and well-being. The benefits of eating fish. Eating fish is not only delicious, but also has many benefits for your health. Heart health. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain function. Omega-3s in fish are also important for brain health, supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Nutrient-rich. Fish is packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D and selenium. Eye health. Eating fish regularly may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Inflammation reduction. Omega-3s in fish have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Improved sleep. Some studies suggest that eating fish may improve sleep quality thanks to its high levels of vitamin D and omega-3s. Incorporating fish into your diet can provide numerous health benefits and contribute to your overall well-being. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates. The benefits of eating fruit. Eating fruit is not only delicious, but also has many benefits for your health. Nutrient-rich. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep your body healthy and functioning properly. Digestive health. The fiber in fruits aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Hydration. Many fruits have high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and supports overall hydration levels in your body. Heart health. Fruits like berries and citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve heart health. Weight management. Fruits are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for satisfying hunger and managing weight. Improved skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in fruits can help improve skin health, reducing signs of aging and promoting a healthy complexion. Boosted immunity. Fruits are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients that support a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your daily diet can provide numerous health benefits and contribute to your overall well-being. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.